Hi, welcome to Impartial Mind. Today I'm going to do a comparison on the Dior Face and Body Foundation, and it's in the shade 6N. It comes in a silver mirrored shiny packaging, and the MAC Studio Face and Body Foundation in the shade N9, and this comes in a classic black matte packaging. These are similar products by two different brands, as they're both made to be used on the face and body areas. The containers are both similar in shape, but the Dior is more stylish, as you can see, and they both have squeezable tubes. First, I'm going to start with the Dior Backstage Face and Body Foundation, and we'll be using the Real Techniques buffing brush for the application. I'm going to apply this foundation on one side of my face, then I will apply the MAC Studio Face and Body on the other side. That way we can see the difference or the similarities, if any. Just using my finger to put the foundation on my face, which I usually do, before using the brush to blend it in. This foundation has a lovely floral scent, and the scent usually fades away once applied to the skin. I love how this foundation blends easily onto my skin. It's not drying to the skin, neither is it too moisturizing. So I feel this foundation will be good for all skin types, but more for people with dry to normal skin. This Dior foundation is available in 40 shades, which means that there can be a shade for everybody. I love this shade on me. Again, this is the shade 6N. It gave me great coverage but remained natural looking, and that's what I love about this foundation. Now I will continue on this side with the MAC Studio Face and Body Foundation, which is in the shade N9. So I'm going to do the same thing like what I did with the Dior Face and Body Foundation regarding the application. And this foundation has more of a chemical scent, which really should not matter. As you can see, I'm cleaning the brush to get rid of the Dior foundation, to get a clear, accurate result of the MAC foundation. This also blends easily, just like the Dior foundation. This foundation is also great for extremely dry to normal skin, as this gives off a dewy finish, making the skin look healthy and youthful. This comes in just 13 shades, so it does not allow for a broad range of choice. But because this foundation is more of a light to medium coverage, it's more forgiving if you're not wearing your right shade. Now, this is the finished look, with the Dior application on the left side and the MAC on the right side of my face. I think they both look good on me, but I prefer the Dior as it seems to be a true match and gives off a natural matte finish. Please leave a comment if you've tried these two foundations before, and thanks for watching. Bye!